excuse the mess in my room. I'm still currently cleaning a little bit. Here's the ceiling fan finally put together for a video. I know, some of y'all have seen it in my Facebook group, but I was able to get it installed. I was able to get it put together like this before, but apparently the video got deleted after I switched phones. I switched phones once or twice after the recording session, and apparently those videos didn't get transferred. So it's a huge bummer, but here it is finally. About a month and a half after posting it on my Facebook group, here it is. So let me actually run over here and grab one of my shoes and stick it underneath here. I have to balance this out sort of on the bottom because it does wobble quite a bit. Blades are pretty flimsy too, so actually let me put you guys on my tripod. I totally forgot about the tripod. I keep forgetting to put you guys on the tripod. Whoops. Now let me get you guys on the tripod. Alright, there I go. You're all on the tripod. Sorry about the instant cut. I had to cut the video, put it on the tripod, or else the camera angles would look weird. So y'all are going to see me operating the fan here. And once again, please excuse the mess in the background. Still picking that up and stuff. Just some trash and stuff. So here we go. I'm going to show you all the light kit first because it's the brightest thing and I want to get it out of the way. You gotta be careful with this thing too. It's old. There's light kit. 2 extremely bright light bulbs. They even look bright in the camera too. But in real life, they're a little brighter. And just to show you how the other 2 sockets work. I don't really have enough of the same bulb to put in the other 2 sockets, so if these would screw in, please. Thank you. There goes that one. Oh, I was loosening that one. And there's that one. So those 2 are bright. But I'm going to be running the light in the motor housing all throughout the rest of the video. So let's go ahead and start that up. There's a 3rd pull chain on the side of the motor housing here. There it is. We adjust the lighting here. It's too bright there. See, that's about what it looks like in real life. But it goes completely white. Oh wow, that's way too high. Try to adjust it as low as I can. It's about as good as it's going to get right there. I want y'all to be able to see the detail on the blades though. There we go. Alright, it's time to start it up on low. And this thing has extremely fast low speed. I don't know why. It just does. Alright. Here it is fired up on low. I need to nudge something else underneath the other side of the motor housing before this thing just tips over and breaks itself, goes into destruction mode. Anyway guys, let me pause y'all and I'll get my drill propped up underneath the motor just right there, because I don't want this thing to tip over and start self-destructing. Alright, there's the drill magically teleported underneath the ceiling fan motor. So here it is. It's a very trashy way to keep it upright, but you know, us ceiling fan collectors, we gotta do what we gotta do. things that we do to keep our fans in good shape, right? And in good running condition. So that's just low speed. Y'all wouldn't really believe it, but that's just low speed. It looks like a medium speed. This is a really strong capacitor in here. It's a 5 microfarad. Same strength capacitor that's in the Bluffton. Bluffton has a, the Honeywell Bluffton has a 5 microfarad capacitor too. But it doesn't spin this fast on low. This fan is something else. Now medium speed is like a normal high speed for a ceiling fan. The high speed for this thing is like an industrial ceiling fan high speed. It's crazy. Right now, if you'd notice, it is starting to shake quite a bit. Oh shoot. Oh, that was crazy. I didn't see that bag there. I just started taking a bag in. Right. It's at a pretty fast speed now. And I'm going to have to watch it on high speed because it's already wobbling quite a bit on medium. So here we go for turbo speed. I have to watch it a little bit on this one. This is crazy. You'll see how fast this is getting? Alright, it's going to dance around quite a bit. Let me take a quick look at what it looks like on camera. It's making some weird noises because it's wobbling all over the place. Reverse. I reversed it on high, so it reversed faster. Now we're going to go to low. Oops. Ooh. Made a popping noise because of the high energy that's going through it. And potentially it should wobble a little bit more. Because in reverse it tends to wobble a little more. Goes about as fast in reverse too. I'm getting a real good kick about how fast that thing took that butcher's bag. It really just took it. Almost went flying. And just as it was about to grab it again, I grabbed it before it did. It's a little slower on its reverse speed on low. Still almost looks like medium. There's its version of a medium speed. I need to put this thing on a 4-speed switch. Now it's going to be blowing air downward like a helicopter. I hope this thing doesn't make that styrofoam just bounce up and get whacked. That'd be crazy. It's already pretty fast. Look at this thing. This thing is a monster. Here's high speed. Gotta watch it this time, because this time it's going to wobble even worse. And it's going to intentionally blow stuff around, of course. And I will do a spin down, don't worry. It's making a whistling sound too. Let me step out of frame for a few seconds. Give you all a good representation. It's It's wobbling more in real life than on camera, of course. Here's spin down. Its spin down takes a long time to be prepared. No, I'll just let it spin down with that light on. I was just going to walk around it and unplug it, but I'm kind of afraid to reach below it while it's spinning that fast and wobbling at the same time. So, I'm just sitting here and stare at the camera and adjust the camera to the see, it's a little too dark. Y'all can see now y'all can see the detail on the motor housing there. The detail and all that. This thing's gonna spin down forever. Oops, bumped the camera there. My bad. Bring back up the brightness there. This is a really good fan. It's just really heavy. I fear for some outlet boxes in our house if I were to install it somewhere. I want to install it in our house somewhere, but I fear for our outlet boxes giving in because of how heavy this beast is. This fan is not really meant to be flush mounted. It's not really meant to be flush mounted because on its extremely long down rod it came with, supposedly makes it easier to get up on a ladder and replace the light bulbs in the motor housing. Here, let me show you the down rod here. AC just kicked on. See, there's the down rod. Doesn't really fit totally in frame. I'll try to make it fit in frame. There it is. Just barely fits in frame. 4 foot down rod, I think. Maybe 3 foot. Yeah, it's about a 3 foot down rod. But the wires on the ceiling fan are definitely not long enough to fit the down rod. The wires will cut very short. I don't know why. That's why I'm going to take some of the wire from the Bluffton and give it to that fan, because that fan needs it more. I might even borrow a lot of wire. I might even borrow some more wire from my other fans that have extremely long wire for no reason. Because other than, unlike those fans, this fan actually came with a long down rod. Slowly but surely now, it's spinning down. Let's see what it looks like with my light on. And it has stopped. And for some reason going the other way. It's catching wind of something. It's suddenly going the other way. That's how good the bearings are. It stopped apparently so hard that it went the other way. It's still going the other way. Huh. Go ahead and put it back in the other way. Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. I'll have it uploaded, I guess, whenever I have it uploaded. Well, whenever I have it edited in simple form. Anyways guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.